up, guys? Rob here at Bob Evans Classics. If you want to see all of our new inventory every week, please hit that subscribe button. We get new cars in daily. Hit the like button. Appreciate you checking us out. Let's go. What is up, guys? I got another gold Mustang for you. This one's a 1968. It's a 302 V8 automatic transmission. We're going to go over the car, show the good, the bad, and if there's any ugly. Do a full review. If you like our inventory, want to see new classic cars every week, please hit that subscribe button right now. We're going to go over the good, the bad, and the ugly. Like I said, do a full review of it. Let you know what you're getting before you get it. Let's go ahead and get started. We'll start back on this rear quarter panel. Got a little bit of clear coat peeling right here. Little paint imperfections here. Nothing major though. This car is a solid driver. It's not a show car. The paint is average looking paint. From a few feet away it looks very good. Little scratch right here. From a bumper, chrome is in good shape. As you can see, it's nothing crazy. It's got a little bit of age to it. It's not brand new. On the hood you got a little damage there, and also right here. We'll go over to this fender. This fender is in good condition, besides a little chip there, a little clear fading there. There's no rust on it, which is good. The wheels are in okay shape. The tires are actually in really good shape. Tires got plenty of life left on them. We got a little bit of rust forming there, as you can see. The rest of the door is solid. I will point out all the damage, a little clear on this side. Glass is in good shape. Mirror is in good shape. Windshield, I don't see any chips or anything like that on the windshield. Roof's got a couple little chips in it. Back here, there's no rot here or nothing. A little chip there. This is where they typically rot out. Got a little bit forming here. Clear's also peeling on this side. They go over here, you got a little ding here, a little chip here. The rear chrome is in good shape. Like I said, it's an overall solid driving car. It looks good. It shows very well. I would replace the rims on it. I don't like the look, especially they didn't got the center caps on them. But it's got a solid look. You go on the undercarriage. Undercarriage is solid. It's in real good shape. It looks good. There's no rot on it. It's not as nice as the 67 gold one I just showed that was redone, but it's still solid for what it is. Let's go to the other side, show you guys the interior. Interior is in really good condition. Seat, there's no cuts, no tears. Same thing with that. These door panels are actually in really good shape. A little flaw there and there, but original. Headliner's in good shape. Dash pad's in good shape. Everything works the way it should. We'll check the horn. Horn works, which is awesome. We'll go ahead and give it a start. Nice little 302. Non-power steering car. Looks like manual brakes as well. Looks like originally a T code, so it was a 6-cylinder. You can also tell 4 lug. But again, an overall solid driving car. Clean undercarriage, has a couple little flaws. Sounds good. And it drives well, for sure. for sale now. Give us a call or go on our website, bobevansclassics.com. This one is $16,500. $16,500 gets it. This won't last long, I can guarantee that. It's a clean, solid looking Mustang that drives very well. 68. Give us a call today, and God bless the USA. Appreciate you checking us out, guys. Have a great and wonderful day.